Terrence Hill.
Mr. Hill, this is a felony file 231704FY. I'm going to read it to you.
Pastor Osser, on behalf of Mr. Hill, for the purpose of arraignment, we have reviewed the charging document and waived a formal reading. We did conduct a screen for indigency, but found he does not qualify at this time, so he will not be receiving a court-appointed attorney. However, on his behalf, we still request this be set for probable cause and preliminary exam.
All right. So, sir, you do not have an attorney at this time. You would need to either continue to represent yourself or hire your own attorney. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Your bond at this time is a $5,000 cash or surety. It is also a protective condition of bond, meaning you cannot have any contact, direct or indirect, with Ms. Hill. You cannot go where she lives or where she works. You cannot consume alcohol or any other controlled substances. You cannot possess a firearm or any other dangerous weapons. You cannot leave the state of Michigan without permission from the court. Do you understand and agree to those rules?
Yes, sir.
Do you wish to argue bond, sir? Are you going to be able to make that bond?
No, sir.
Do you have a lower dollar amount you can make?
Yes, $100.
All right. Well, essentially what that means is I would lower this to $1,000 cash or surety. Bondsmen usually want about 10% in cash. The rest you'll have to work out with them, but it is still the protective conditions of bond. Do you understand that? Do you have a place to go other than with living with Ms. Hill?
Yes, I'm currently up under a load right now, Your Honor. I had to come here this morning due to the nature of the case. I heard the officer told me I had a warrant out and I'm an over-the-road truck driver. So I don't have, I had to get here today to, just to handle this.
I will write on here, okay to leave state for work. All right. So you don't have to you're getting court permission if you're over the road trucker and you need to work outside of Michigan, you have permission to do that. Okay.
Yes. And Your Honor, I was going to ask, is there any way that I can get a PR so I can get out of here because I'm up under a load?
You would not get a PR bond on these charges, sir. But $1,000 cash surety is a low bond for the charges. You already do have next court dates. You have what's called a probable cause conference on June 15th and a preliminary hearing on June 21st in courtroom A in front of Judge Scotchless. You will get copies of those dates and times. You must show up for those dates and times. You are able to address bond at every hearing. If you don't happen to be out on the 15th, it will address that bond as well. With the prosecutor there, you can ask for PR there. If you're still incarcerated, corrections will make you available for court. But other than that, sir, we are all set with what we needed to do here today. Thank you.